Hey guys, Ryan Amato. We're here at Amato Painting, our warehouse. We're going to take you through an epoxy floor, metallic epoxy floor installation. So this is our warehouse. What we're going to show you is really a prime step, a base coat, two pigmented metallic epoxy coatings, and then a clear coat on top of that. What we've done with the floor so far, not too much. It was a sealed concrete warehouse floor. Typically, if it was on a job, we would have to grind this floor to get that sealer off. In our office, in our warehouse, we did a bunch of tests, adhesion tests, and we ended up just going direct with, after cleaning and after sweeping up the floor and degreasing, we've gone right with a primer. It's a water-based epoxy sealer. Pretty simple. Part A to part B, mix it up, and we applied that primer. And that's what you can see right here in this picture. The next step was applying the base coat. Why are we putting a base coat down? Because we're going to put 2 coats of epoxy down anyway, so who cares? But we want to put a base coat down. That base coat is going to change the appearance of the top coats, the epoxy. They're a bit translucent, the epoxy top coats, depending on the way you apply it, the different variations in the coating. So we went with a black, solid black base coat for the floor. And you could use almost anything you want. We've done a ton of samples in the back, from gray to blacks to off-whites to creams to this and that, and it will change the top coat. So with this one, solid black, and it's just a latex black floor paint, and that's what we've used here. And it's just brush and rolled. And it's, again, it's just a regular paint, so just open up the can and that's what you have.